Hi, hello to all the Medsee Nursing subscribers there. This is your Suman. And finally, it's here in my hand, the latest edition 3 Medsee Nursing handwritten books. Let us see, let us unbox this package and see what are all that you're going to find in this. Okay? Yeah. And so all this you're going to get in this package. Show you one by one. Okay, I'm super excited. It is the latest edition 3 books. Okay, so previously till edition 2 we were having 2 volumes. I mean one for major subjects and the other one for minor subjects. But here edition 3 you're going to get 4 books. One set contains of 4 books. I'll explain you and I'll show you everything. So before going into the books, what are all the stationery that you're going to get? The beautiful book markers, highlighters, Medsee Nursing written on it, and then you'll also get this sticky notes pad. Every pack will have one sticky notes. And this are all the stationery that you're going to get. And apart from that, can you see very small books? The cover page is specially handcrafted by me. Can you see students sitting and studying? Okay, and it is specially written like this is your space, fill it with love. I'll tell you what to do with this book. 3 volumes you're going to get. It's total of 3 books. The volume 1 is written edition 3 major subjects and the next story is yours. This volume 1 contains major subjects, all the theory notes. It has whatever I taught you in the app, everything you're going to get in this book. Volume 2 is also for major subjects again. Again, you're going to get the major subjects ka notebook in this. The last volume, the volume 3, this is for minor subjects, and you're going to get all the minor subjects in this book, including non-nursing subjects. And these are the set of 3 books, the theory books, and these are handwritten books. And apart from that, you're going to get one extra book, as I already told you. This is called as Smart Pocket Book, SPB. The cover page, can you see this is beautifully handcrafted, and we have the toppers and the back cover page. See what to do with this book while you're going through the lectures. So all the plan A subscribers will be getting the notebooks. I mean the package. One pack contains of all the stationery, 3 volumes of theory books and one SPP book. This becomes one set. All the plan A subscribers will be getting this. While you're going through the lectures, I mean while you're going through my lectures in the app, no need to prepare the notes specially. This notes will be more than enough. Again, separately, no need to prepare the notes. This will save you plenty of your time. We are going to send you the highlighters, whichever you feel important and whichever you feel like, yes, this is a golden point. You can use any one of the highlighter and try to highlight the notebook then and there, and do not make the notebooks filthy. If you want to add any points, if they are like minimal 1 or 2 points, you can add in these theory books so that it will look good. If you want to add little bit longer notes, because in my lectures I'll be speaking more, okay, writing less and speaking more, I'll be explaining more. So students, if you are feeling like making notes, then you can take this SPB notebook. This is an empty book, so that's why it is mentioned this is your space, fill it with love. Okay, so whichever you feel like, yes, this need to be taken in the notes, you can copy that here in this book. And what else will go into this book is, this book should be an ultra filtrate of all my concepts. So whichever you don't feel like this point has been missed in the notes, or this point which I'll be explaining in the lectures, yes, this point need to be taken in the notebook, that should come into this notebook. This should be almost like your LMR notebook. Whichever you feel like difficult, and very frequently if you're forgetting anything, if you want to make any short and smart notes, you can make in this. And these are the set of 4 books that you're going to get. All this or the stationery. I hope your people are ready for 11.0. Yes, it's very nearby. It's just not even 120 days in your hand. So start your preparation. All the best for the upcoming 11.0 exam. See you in the live classes on my YouTube channel. All the best.